right, let's take a look at the chords in the key of D major as well as the D major scale. And this is going to help you a lot when you come across a song and you're playing or maybe the band calls out, okay, we're going to play in the key of D. You need to know the chords that are in the key of D as well as kind of the D major scale, which will help you to be able to pick out some melody lines or something like that. Whatever you need, this is all inside D major. Here you go. All right, so let's take a look at the D major scale. We have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So we start the scale on D, D major, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. You can come back down, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, so it has these two black notes as your sharp notes. Okay, let's take a look at just playing it with your left hand. Okay, we're going to put pinky on D, line up your 5 fingers here. We're going to play D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Go back down, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, so let's talk about finger numbers. Okay, in the right hand, if you just line up your 5 fingers there, you're going to play finger 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to tuck your finger 1 underneath here, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, left hand fingering can be finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross over to finger 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Cross your thumb underneath. 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's bring those 2 hands together. And this could be an exercise that you could work on in increasing your speed as you get more comfortable, okay? D, E, F sharp, G, tucked that thumb underneath, A, cross your 3rd finger over, B, C sharp, D. Okay, coming down, C sharp, B, thumb underneath in your left hand, A, G, 3rd finger over, F sharp, E, and D. All right, so let's look at the chords that are in the key of D. So if you look at the notes of that scale, each of those notes, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, all of those notes of the scale need to have a chord. Okay, so let's take a look at D major. Okay, we're going to go D, F sharp, A, E minor, E, G, B, F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp, G major, G, B, D, A major, A, C sharp, E, B minor, B, D, F sharp, and our C sharp diminished, C sharp, E, G. All right, hope that helps. I also want to mention that the PDF to exactly what I'm talking about right here is going to be in the description below, so make sure to grab that.